What are we tipping up for?
Buffet.
Buffet.
I don't know.
Are you, hang on, let's start from the beginning. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can you eat yourself sick?
Yeah.
Alex?
No, because I'll have to shit. So.
Well, it doesn't matter. Just eat loads of prawns and make you shit properly.
Go on then.
Buffy?
Have you got them wraps on?
Yeah.
You make your own, Alex. You can pin Cheetos, whatever you want. Prawns, chicken, lamb.
Like that, that's all.
Well, beef. Salad, Alex. Tomato scotch.
Sitting outside though?
Inside.
You can't sit outside there, can you?
No, there's no outside seating, is there?
There's a Hong Kong.
No.
Yeah.
Do you want to go for a nice Chinese?
Yeah.
Not a crappy one. Not like mozzarella.
Hong Kong.
It's a proper one.
Got Thai food there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right, if you want a buffet, kids, we'll go for a buffet.
Got sushi. Like that thing.
You don't like that?
No,
Raw
unless you
fish?
like raw fish. Unless you like raw salmon.
I'll just take it anywhere I want.
I think you better stick into the Hong Kong thing, would you? That's not it. That's information event. It's that one.
I want to eat myself this.
Shut up, Scott. You're drinking.
This is looks the nicest one, isn't it? This one.
Where's going to be the cheapest to eat, Paula?
The Hong Kong's alright.
Yeah?
Coffee's a day. They're €9 each, aren't they?
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's 36.
Let's go with morning ones.
I got a big basketball net set. These not a bad apartments, are they?
This is a better area down here, this side of it, isn't it?
Should we try? That way.
That way, yeah. It's roundabout.
Do you have to wait for your food and everything? No.
No, you get it yourself.
See.
This one, is it this one?
It's just down there, isn't it?
It's this one, Alex, yeah. Left.
That's the stones. Not even looking.
Right.
Oh, fuck you.
Well, it does help to fucking look,
Him
doesn't
a
it?
monster, did he? Right. And park anywhere, we'll walk round.
Wheels from
Got cereal.
Look at the dog.
Oh,
It's no entry.
park anywhere, no, there's loads over there.
I bet the dog lives there.
No. Anywhere around here.
So on the left there. That's all right.
Here?
Hello there.
Oh, these are empty.
Banco Popular.
Is the bank still open? Is it this left or the next
No.
one?
You can go down the patch park anywhere around here. There's that office that we're looking for. We just found it.
Where is it?
Is it here? That office?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's yellow.
Right, they were on here. There was one on the left here a minute ago. Where?
It's in the pavement.
Left. No? There.
Yeah.
There.
What are we going to eat in the Chinese then?
Go where mum and dad say not to.
I've asked them.